Hello students, we are going to look at how to find an equation of a line passing two points that you know the coordinates. So don't forget we have this formula to find the gradient between 2 points, and you do not have to memorize it, but you do need to know how to use it. The formula is in your formula booklet. The formula says that the gradient is the difference between two y-coordinates of the points and over the difference between the x-coordinates, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we will zoom in to number 2 and we will see how we can solve this question. So we have two coordinates of points. If we call the first one point 1 with coordinates x1 and y1, and here x2 and y2 for point 2, then the coordinates between the 2 points will be y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is negative 2, over x2, which is negative 7, minus x1, which is 7. So when we simplify it, we will have subtract negative, so that will be plus 0 plus 2 is 2, and then minus 7, that's minus 14. Or if you simplify it further, it will be a negative number. Positive over negative is negative, and then 2 over 14 is 1 over 7. All right, so once we know the gradient, we can use our usual format, y equals mx plus c, to figure out the line equation. And since now we know the gradient is negative 1 over 7, we can write it down for m, and then x plus c, and we have to figure out c. So we can use the information, the 2 points coordinates given. You can choose one of them and just substitute it for the x and y in the formula. So in this case, I am going to choose the first point. You don't have to, you can also choose the second one. So we are going to substitute y into the y position here, and x coordinates into the x position in the formula. So very simple, we will have negative 2 here for y and 7 for x later on. And I will complete the equation plus c. So then we have negative 2 equals negative 1/7 times 7. If you are hesitating, you can always use your calculator, but the result is negative 1 plus c. And to find c, we get rid of negative 1. We add 1 both sides, and therefore we will have negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 and equals c. So c is negative 1. The only thing you have to do now is to write down the answer. The answer is a line formula, line equation. Y equals m, which is negative 1/7, x plus c, which is negative 1. So we just put minus 1. And this is the final answer. You can try the rest of the questions on that page. So good luck.